mommies, are you looking for something that will help moisturize, soften, strengthen, and make your toddler's hair much easier to manage during this holiday? Then please don't scroll past this video, because what I'm about to show you might just become your new favorite toddler hair care recipe. If you are a girl mom dealing with dry, tangled, stubborn hair that behaves like it has its own plans, come closer. Today I'm showing you how to make a simple homemade hibiscus, dandelion, and oat treatment to help keep your little hair soft, moisturized, and easier to detangle. And please, before you say, Auntie Tina, what are you cooking in that pot? Just watch to the end. Let's get started. First, into a clean pot, add 3 tablespoons of hibiscus leaves. Next, add 1 cup of dried dandelion leaves. You can also use the fresh one or any one you have available. Now add 2 cups of room temperature water. Give everything a good stir, then allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while our little portion is doing its thing, please don't leave me alone. Hit that subscribe button, because if you are a mom looking for simple ways to care for your hair and your girl's child hair, you are definitely in the right place. So after cooking, allow the mixture to cool slightly, then strain it thoroughly using a very clean cheesecloth. Please squeeze everything out. Yes, squeeze everything out as possible, because we need that beautiful herbal hairspray for our beautiful girl. Transfer the strained liquid into a clean spray or applicator bottle and set it aside. And please throw away those strained leaves. I know, yes, I know they look like leftovers, but mommy, we are not finished with them yet. Moving on, now we are going to use them to make our moisturizing hair masks. Now add 1 cup of whole oats to the strained hibiscus and dandelion leaves. Then add 1 cup of the herbal liquid and 1 additional cup of water. Give everything a very good stir and bring it to a boil. Allow it to cook until the oats become very soft. We are adding oats, yes, because oats can help make the hair feel softer, smoother, while providing conditioner properties that can make detangling and managing your little one's hair very much easier. And this is especially helpful for toddlers whose hair gets dry, tangled, or difficult to manage. Once the oats are completely soft, turn off the heat, allow it to cool, and blend. Then blend until you get a very good, smooth, creamy consistency. If it's too thick, add a little more water or the herbal liquid until you achieve the consistency you want. And boom! Our homemade moisturizing hair mask is ready. Now we go ahead to strain. Now this is where the mask becomes really important. The purpose of this treatment is to give the hair extra moisture and conditioning, helping it feel softer and easier to manage. When the hair is properly moisturized and handled gently, detangling can become much easier and you can reduce unnecessary pulling and breakage. And we all know mommies doesn't want wash day to turn into a wrestling match. Yes, I know you don't want that. Please mommy, gentle hands. This is toddler's hair, not a wrestling competition. Don't pull, yank, or aggressively detangle. After straining, I'm going to add my herbal infused oil. I'm using my cinnamon stick and avocado pit infused oil. You can also use any suitable herbal infused oil you already have. In fact, I have a recipe on my channel showing you how I made this particular oil. So go through my channel after this video and check it out. I have had this oil infusing for about 3 to 4 months, so it's nicely infused. But if you don't have any herbal infused oil, don't worry. You can also use any simple carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil. Just remember, when using oils on a toddler's hair or scalp, use only a small amount and make sure your toddler's hair tolerates it well. Now let me show you exactly how I apply it on my toddler's hair. Can you see her hair? Look at how dry and dirty it is. This hair is seriously begging for some moisture and TLC. But don't worry, mommies. We are about to bring this little crown back to life. First, dampen your toddler's hair using the hibiscus and dandelion juice. Spray it gently from the scalp down through the length of the hair, making sure the hair is evenly damp. Next, gently massage the hair and scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now get your moisturizing hair mask and apply it generously to the hair and scalp. Make sure the hair is well covered with the mask from the roots down to the ends. Once everything is gently coated, gently massage the hair again for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover the hair with a shower cap and allow the mask to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your available time. While the mask is sitting, this is the perfect time to relax because seriously, mommy has finally brought herself some peace. After the recommended time, rinse the mask out thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with your toddler's usual gentle hair care routine. And there you have it, a simple moisturizing treatment that can help your little one's hair feel softer, more conditioned, and easier to manage. Remember, mommies, this is not a magic hair growth portion. No, it is not. The goal is gentle care, keeping the hair moisturized, minimizing unnecessary pulling and manipulation, and helping maintain healthy looking hair. Because toddler's hair is delicate, always do a small patch test before using new ingredients. Stop using the treatment if your child develops irritation or discomfort. Also, because this is a homemade preparation, make small patches. Keep everything clean. Refrigerate the liquid and discard it if you notice any unusual smell, color, or texture. Now, if you watch this video all the way to the end, you are officially one of the real mommies in the house. Yay! Welcome to the family. Don't just watch and disappear. Like this video, subscribe to Tina's Hair and Beauty, and share it with another mommy, especially that friend whose little girl's hair becomes a full-time job every wash day. Yes, share it with her. And tell me in the comments, will you be trying this moisturizing treatment or you just watch and pass? No, try it. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care of those beautiful little crowns with gentle hands, patience, and lots of love. Bye. I will see you in my next one. And always remember, I love you, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.